This is what I tell my clients is going to happen when showings start on their home. People will not show up for their showing appointment and will not cancel. They will be early. They will be late. They might stay there for 5 minutes. They might stay there for an hour. They might do a drive-by and not even come inside the house because they don't like the neighborhood or the way the house looks on the outside. They will not wear shoe coverings. They will not take their shoes off. They will sit on your furniture. They will allow their kids to run around like animals and touch everything in your house. They will use your bathroom. They will not lock your doors. So just think of it kind of like as a driving on the Beltway experience. Most people are nice, but there's always going to be those rude people who come through your house and don't follow the rules. So that's what to expect when you sell your home.